the 2012 Chevrolet Impala. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.